Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more kill confirmed matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, customize your loadout to suit your playstyle and the map. Learn the layout of the map to anticipate enemy movements and locate tags quickly. Coordinate with your team to effectively cover areas and collect tags. Sound cues are crucial in identifying enemy positions. Avoid running in open areas to minimize exposure to enemy fire. Consistent aim is essential for winning gunfights and securing tags. Focus on collecting tags quickly to deny the enemy team points. Keep moving to avoid becoming an easy target for enemy snipers and campers. Use alternative routes to surprise enemies and collect tags from behind. Stun grenades and smoke bombs can disorient enemies and provide cover for collecting tags. Stick close to your team to provide mutual support and cover fire. Learn from your mistakes by analyzing how you were killed and adjust your strategy accordingly. Position yourself on elevated terrain to have a better view of the battlefield. Reload when it's safe to do so to avoid being caught off guard. Keep track of your ammo count and pick up ammo packs from fallen enemies. Coordinate with your team when using kill streaks to maximize their effectiveness. Maintain composure during intense firefight to make accurate shots. Be cautious when moving around corners to avoid ambushes. Be flexible with your strategy based on the flow of the game and enemy movements. Keep an eye on your surroundings and avoid focusing too much on one area. Understand the effective range of your weapon and engage enemies accordingly. And that's how to win more kill confirmed matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.